I'm heading over to do a door estimate. I don't normally do these, but this person said I was recommended and all this stuff. So I said I'll do it for the footage. So when I go out there, I'm gonna try with the camera. You see, I wear the camera like this on my thing, and these ones here are kind of weird. So I will be doing as good as I can, but these are the ones where people call you and they want a door estimate, and you got to go out there and give them an estimate. So I just said, I'll just film this, because I don't normally show these kind when you go out and do the door estimate, so I'll just add this to our repertoire, or whatever you call it. I will be getting back to you when I get to the job, so be ready. What a fun job here.
I'm gonna have my mom hold them. Okay.
Friendliest dog. Now they bark. Yeah, it's probably a 16 by 7. I'll go here. Oops.
Yeah, seen it passing, but we want it. It's like 13 years.
Oh, really? You don't look that old. Okay, so yeah, you probably need a new door, because you know, these are too many. When you buy 2 or more, if you buy 1 panel, it's almost the cost of the whole door. When you buy 2, you might as well get the whole door.
Yeah, and there was something else wrong. I can't even remember it.
You should unplug that in case someone accidentally pushes the button, because it's still engaged.
I have it covered right here, so nobody can press it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No,
that's good. What about your remote in your car? Are you the only one that has one?
No, I don't have it. Yeah. Do you see right here?
No, that's fine. I can just replace the sections, or I can. They don't look bent.
Okay, good.
No, that's how they put them in. They all have a little pitch like that.
Oh, okay.
But I could do sections only, or I can do the whole door and change the track and the springs.
The springs are busted too?
No, but they're old. They're old, and I can see right here the little dents you see on the shaft.
Yeah.
So someone's changed them before, but. That's where these tighten down. See these little set screws?
Yeah.
They tighten. There's the little round holes where the old ones were.
Okay.
So they come with them, but when you buy a door, it comes with the track and the spring. So I could do the whole thing if you want, and you'll have everything new. Or I can most people will just change the panels.
Yeah, let's just do that.
Do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easier, but and you want me to keep the old springs?
No, if you think they need to be replaced, I'm fine with that.
All right. Do you want the same windows like this? Do you like them? Do you like looking at?
No, I never really look out.
It brings in light. I mean, it'll be.
Well, what's the difference in cost?
I have to look at the thing, but probably around $400.
Okay. I don't know. Let me think about that.
All right.
I know it brings in light, but.
Yeah. The whole thing here is we're gonna probably run around $3,200.
Oh, okay.
By the time you dump the old door, rehang the opener, windows, all that stuff. So. That's normally what it costs. I don't know if you need new weather stripping on the outside, but I normally put the climate seal where you don't have any gaps. It's like a refrigerator when it's closed.
Oh, yeah.
And so in the summer, it keeps out the heat, and in the winter, it keeps out the cold. But, you know, being that it's this kind of door, these are pan doors, they're non-insulated.
Yeah.
They don't have a back sheet. Normally they're back sheeted and they're insulated. You probably don't care if you want a climate seal, because these actually, when the sun hits them, it's like an oven in here.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, so why seal the corners?
That makes sense. Okay.
If you had an insulated door, I'd say, yeah, get it, but it's not really going to do much.
Okay.
So do you want me to write it up?
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right. All right, let me go around. I'll go out here. Is that gate open?
That's fine. Yeah, it's always open.
Yeah, I'll write it up, and then do you want me to just ring the doorbell, or?
Yeah, sure.
All right, let me write it up. Okay. So windy. Anyway, I itemized everything. It's like $28.50 for the door. It'd be $200 to take down the existing door. Perfect. $50 to rehang the opener, and then $100 to dump the little door. And I put here add if you want the windows.
Okay, perfect.
And these are good. These are ball bearing rollers. It's a nicer door than this. The way they make them. They make them a little cheaper than that, but they just fall apart so much. They're harder to put in too.
That makes sense.
So the newer ones will roll a little nicer.
Yeah, this one's definitely.
Is that your fence guy?
Yeah, that's it. Hi. Hi there. Thank you, John.
All right. Thanks. There you go. She'll probably call me back, but yeah, $3,200 for a pan door, which would cost me about $700. So I'll make $2,500 if I put that door in, but. You know, I don't know. She said I can use the same track, so I don't normally do that. But she said, "Oh no, just leave them and then just change it." So I'm just gonna do the panels only section. So I'll probably get even a little better price on it. But those aren't the kind of jobs I kind of focus on. You make a little more money, but you're there longer, and you got to pick up a door and all that stuff. But I like the in and out. doing the repairs. That is what I do. I don't like handling panels anymore in sections. They're not heavy, but I just, I like my truck being clean and not having a door on top, an old door. But I used to do it all the time. I used to do 2 doors a day. When they call you, when you go out to do estimates like this, they're usually calling another person, or maybe sometimes they're not. They just go with you. But those ones you get probably 70%. You'll get the job on those when they're getting estimates. Then the other ones, when you're doing the repairs, they're already there and you're repairing the door. So she might have called her insurance. Who knows? They might have told her to get 3 estimates because she ran into it with her car. So those are the kind of jobs I stay away from. I just did that one because they said they're recommended, but they're all different. But when you're there and you're doing a repair and they didn't call her insurance and they're just getting the door repaired and you recommend a new door, just like her, she goes, oh yeah, okay, everything I told her. That's how they are, even not in the market for a door. So they're not looking and shopping around and getting estimates. Those are the ones I like. I can just tell them the price and they go with it. I don't have to try to be the lowest or any of that stuff. I don't have to have a sales pitch. So everyone's different. A lot of people like doing estimates. I don't like doing them anymore. I used to do them, on 195 doors I sold on one job before. So people like doing that. They're new to the business. It's all interesting, but I've been doing it over 40 years. So I just like the easy come, easy go jobs, which there's plenty of those. So there's no point in wasting my time with the other stuff. So that only took me less than 10 minutes. I just measured the door, wrote it up, gave her a copy and left. You seen what I did? And she had her fence guy coming out too. But she definitely needs to get her door fixed. I mean, you've seen how it looked. Anyway, I got another job over here where a lady said her door makes a weird noise. She played it for me when I talked to her on the phone. So probably just needs service. Maybe there'll be a broken spring. Sometimes when the doors are real heavy, it sounded like the door was moving a lot slower. So maybe they got a broken spring. And I'll be filming that one for sure. But I will be getting back to you on the next one. Talk at you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.